In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fix broken or dashed lines not showing in AutoCAD. If your dashed or hidden lines look continuous or aren't displaying correctly, we'll walk through a clean sequence of checks to get them showing as intended. Start by adjusting the overall Linetype scale. In the command line, type LTS and press Enter. This sets how long the dashes and gaps appear in your drawing. Try simple values like 0.1, 1, or 10. Then zoom in and out to see the effect. If the pattern looks continuous, the scale is probably too large. If the dashes are too tiny or too frequent, it's likely too small. Keep it practical use values that match the real-world scale of your project. After any change to scaling, refresh the view so AutoCAD updates how it displays linetypes. Type Region to regenerate the current view, or Regional to update every viewport. This quick refresh often makes the difference between seeing the correct dash pattern and a continuous line. If you are in a layout, check how linetypes are handled across viewports. Switch to your Layout tab, type PSLT Scale, and press Enter. Set PSLT Scale to 0 to use model space scaling, or set it to 1 to scale based on the viewport. The choice depends on whether you want the dash pattern to look consistent across differently scaled viewports, or to reflect true model scaling. After switching, use Regional to update. Graphic settings can also affect how lines appear. Type Graphics Config and toggle hardware acceleration off or on. Sometimes a driver quirk causes display glitches. Flipping this setting forces AutoCAD to redraw using a different pipeline, which can clear up dashed line issues instantly. If your linetypes still won't behave, clean and reload them. Type Purge and remove unused linetypes and related definitions to eliminate conflicts. Then type Linetype. Open the manager and reload the specific linetype you need, such as a dashed or hidden style. This replaces stale or missing definitions with fresh ones. Lastly, verify that the correct linetype is actually assigned. Open the Layer Properties Manager and confirm the layer's linetype is set to bilayer with the intended dashed style, or assign the object explicitly to dashed. If it says continuous, your lines will never display as broken, no matter the scale. Also ensure nothing is overriding the linetype on the object itself. Follow these checks in order, and your dashed lines should display correctly, both in model space and on your sheets. Thanks for watching.